this county has significantly supported my ministry as well in accepting the many things that we try to do. And it's not only at the county government level. When the governor was getting into office, I remember one of the first conversations we had was that, Governor, why are you charging us for putting fiber into the county, making it so expensive? And the governor said, you know, that one will waiver, so that Nyeri can become digital. And the process began. Today, because of some of those decisions, the Communications Authority set up the headquarters for Mount Kenya region here in Nyeri County. Because of those same reasons, Safaricom set up their headquarters for Mount Kenya region here in Nyeri County. I was proud because as the first county assembly to go digital, as you've heard, they did not even switch off. We are able to demonstrate to the country and to the world that we as a country are ahead and that we can use technology to transform the way we do things, and especially during this time of COVID. I was so happy to see the young people here, the dances, the poems that they were able to do, even the acrobatics. And I would like to report that even during this time of COVID, because of using technology, the musicians that currently have their music either on Skiza or on different platforms, they have been able to get, for the first 10 months, over 1.6 billion shillings, which goes straight to their phones. That's why you hear they are not as loud. Now they are receiving, and this is working. These are all the strategies and plans we've continued to ensure that we go digital and that we move the country to another level. And so far, we are doing very well with that. This development, I am hoping that all other county assemblies are going to follow Nyeri. And because of this improvement, I think that position, number one, can now be awarded. Whoever it is that was awarding, is it World Bank? Yeah. They should now just push you to number one because now you've adopted digital.